Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Bitcoin on Cash App and send to a wallet. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Download it from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Sign in with your email or phone number. From the home screen, tap the Money tab in the bottom left corner. This brings up your Cash App balance and options. Look for the Bitcoin section. It's got a wavy line icon. Tap it, then select Buy Bitcoin or Deposit Bitcoin. If your account isn't verified, Cash App will prompt you to start the verification process before you can proceed. To verify, tap Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. You'll need to provide some personal info: your full legal name, date of birth, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. For U.S. users, Cash App might also request your full SSN or a government-issued ID, like a driver's license. Follow the prompts to upload a clear photo of your ID and a well-lit selfie. Unique tip: take your ID photo in bright natural light to avoid blurry image rejections. Verification usually takes 24 to 48 hours, and you'll get a notification when it's done. Once verified, now let's buy Bitcoin. From the Money tab, tap Bitcoin. It's got that wavy line icon. Scroll down and hit Buy. You'll see preset amounts like $10 or $50, or tap the 3 dots to enter a custom amount. I'll go with $4 for this demo. Review the purchase details, including Cash App's fees, which are usually 1 to 2%. Tap Confirm to add the Bitcoin to your Cash App wallet. It's instant, so you'll see it in your balance right away. To pay with Bitcoin, you'll send it to someone's wallet. In the Bitcoin section, tap the paper airplane icon, then select Send Bitcoin. Check the BTC available at the top. For $4, it might show 0.0001 BTC. Enter the amount you want to send, matching it to the payment needed. Next, paste the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address, a long string of letters and numbers, into the To field. Unique tip: if the recipient provides a QR code, scan it with Cash App's camera to avoid typing errors, as wrong addresses can't be undone. Select the wallet address, hit Next, and pick a transfer speed. Standard is free but takes up to 24 hours. Priority is faster but has a small fee. You might need to verify your ID with a driver's license or selfie if prompted. Review the confirmation page, then tap Send to complete the payment. If the transaction fails, ensure the wallet address is exact or check your internet connection. Contact Cash App support via the app's help section if needed.